Hello, my name is Ryan Alisha. I'm in the computer science software engineering class at Gull Lake, and I will show you some things you can do on the terminal in Linux. So we'll boot up our VM. We'll sign in here. We'll make us full screen. Press Control Alt T. And here we go. Here's our little terminal. Now what we can do here is we can make this bigger. Now, something we're gonna try and do is we are going to make a couple of groups and a couple of people. Now, as you saw earlier, there isn't just my account. There's also these other accounts. No, they weren't actually. They are just mine, just people's names. So, go back into my account. So, some things we can do now is for users. For some things we can do to interact with users, we can press I. We should just type in ID and see groups, just to see where my current account has what I can do. We can do last couple logins. We can see that one was this person. What was that person? Most of them were me though. We can see. We can say who. To see who's logged in, which is me. Press W to see who's logged in and their activity. Succeeds me. I've logged in this time. I don't get to what all of this means, but this is showing me what I'm doing. And we can do sudo add user to add a user. We're not going to do that just yet. We can clear our screen with either doing Control plus L. But personally, I like typing clear, and that clears it. We can do comp gen -g to list our users and groups that we have created. We've made marketing and research. We've made these two accounts. We can also do get and group to see everything we made right here. You can see that Rocco's in marketing, Sabeg's in research. Also, we could do get tent group, and then a certain name of a group. Say I want to look at the group of marketing. I press tab to autofill that, and we can see Rocco's in marketing. Alright, now, actually, let me show you something else. So, well, let's see where we are. Oh, that's caps lock. Let's see where we are. Why is it still in caps lock? Still in caps lock. There we go. So we are there. That's nice. Let's go into our documents. So CD, D, OC, tab, go in there. What's we got in here? Python. Let's go into Python. So we'll do CD, P, tab, go in there. See what's in here. Python testing.py. We can open that using something called nano. Nano, P, Valen. See, now I can get to where this is. Just a little bit of code. We'll say if x equals 21, then print print done. There we go. That's not the most efficient way to do that, but now I can press Control and X, and it'll save it. Well, and if I press Y now, if it'll save it, then I'll say, yep, I want to keep that name, and there we go. Now we can do Python, like I say 3, then I could say this thing, and it'll, oh, I did something wrong. Hold on, let me fix that. Take a little bit of an oops. There we go. We'll just save that. And now we can do Python 3. There we go. Got the 20, which is what I wanted it to do. That's it done. Which is also what I wanted it to do. Alright. Now we'll do some adding of users. So here's what we're gonna wanna do. We're gonna wanna create a user. So we're gonna do sudo superuser do add user. Then we're gonna wanna put their name in. For their name, we will use classmate of mine, J Harback. I know I asked for my password. I am typing it in, you just can't see it. I did it wrong. There we go. Enter his password. We'll just say 0. Got no password. His full name, Jacob Harback. Don't care about any of that. I don't care about any of this. But if you were in an actual company, you would. Say the information is correct. And there we go. We could do get and group. And there he is. So let's make another one. Sudo. I don't have to type it in. I can just press up arrow again and just change this name to another classmate of mine. Westra. There we go. Password 1. Full name Gabe Westra. We don't care about any of this. Press Y. And here we are. We could do the same thing earlier. There he is. Now let's put them into groups. Let's make a group called Alright, so we're gonna make a new group. This group's gonna be called call it dev team. So sudo add group. Then we're gonna make the name dev team. We're just gonna ignore that. Did make it? Didn't. Dang it. Let's try it again. Sudo add group development team. Oh, I did it wrong. Whoops. Group add dev team. There we go. Do this. We can see it's right there. Now let's make our other thing called human resources. Go up and then erase that. Human resource. Make sure you're not pressing space or it's gonna make two of them. Like multiple. Human resources. We get go up to get and group. Now we got them both. So let's add them to their corresponding groups. To do that, we do user mod dash a capital G. And the group name we'll do dev team. If I can type, I'm gonna put G Westra in there. Um, we're just um, hmm. Let's just try and get human resources. Gonna put J R. Hmm. Maybe I'm doing this wrong. Hmm. Let's try this again with a different way. AG. Let's do I'm into dev team. Yeah. Why isn't this working? Well, that's not what I wanted it to do. Oh, here we go. Let's just user modification AG, and then we're gonna want to dev team and gwet. Huh. Oh wait, I'm dumb. Super user do. There we go. There we go. We do get and group. We can see that he's in it now. Alright, let's do it for the other one. Just go up here, delete this. Human resources, and then back. There we go. And now they're in there. Alright, that's all we wanted to do. But we can also, just with a little bit more, we do can group human resources. She's in there. Can group dev team and see these in there. Alright, thanks for watching. I will see